Hello there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to launch a dynamic video campaign through Reach Inbox. Okay, so my dynamic campaign is ready, and I have a few videos generated already. So the process is very simple. I'll go and click on Share Campaign. I'll just type reach and I'll get the option reach inbox right there. So making a click here, what it does is it copies the snippet code that we need to make this work in reach inbox. Okay, you can see the confirmation right here in the top. So I'll cross this out. I'll jump into reach box and then I'll click here on drag and drop so I can upload my CSV with leads and just know that you can always download that from here if you want to. Okay, so I'm in the mapping step. You do not need this whatsoever, so that's not a must. That is not a requirement. So you can just go ahead and upload the leads. Okay. Okay. So again, the process is simple. Just go and tap Command V or Control V if you're in a Windows. I can just go here and drag it to make it smaller. And then what you can do is click on Preview Email. Okay, and yeah, I don't know if it's showing me. Oh yeah, this is the one that is previewing, like Dan at Sendspark.com. Okay, so Dan at Sendspark. Hi Dan. .com is right this one here. Okay, so yep, that's all that you need to do. Yep, just let me know if you have any questions. It is as simple as this. So yep, have a great day. Bye bye.